And the gathering has begun, and concerns are down to one. Should we clean up or have fun for a while? There's a sweet, sweet stillness.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Renata, and in today's video I will be reviewing this blouse. It is the Vanessa from Made for Mermaids. It is the Vanessa from Made for Mermaids. So if you guys are interested in this version and what I think about it, please meet me in the next section. Welcome. Okay guys, here we are, and this is my latest Vanessa. If you tuned in about a week ago, you guys know that I did the I'm So Festive challenge, and I made a beautiful dress seen right here, and that's the dress version of this wonderful blouse. I think it turned out really good. I really like it. I didn't really want to make another bell sleeve, so a few things. The Vanessa comes in a sweater length, a tunic length, and a dress version. It also comes with on shoulders or off shoulder version, a regular drop sleeve, so a straight version, and then a bell sleeve, and then the other option for that bell sleeve is a collar block version. I'm not sure how I feel about the collar block version for sleeves. I don't really do that often, not in the way that they have it for this pattern. I typically come up with my own way of blocking or adding contrasting fabrics to my sleeve, but I really wanted to make this one the regular version so I could come here and share with you the difference for sewing that version. However, I had too much fabric and I didn't want to waste my fabric. I couldn't do it. So I know I wanted to make a blouse, but I just didn't want to have a bunch of extra fabric that can't really do anything because they're too small, and I just didn't want to deal with that. So I went ahead and I made this version, and I really like it. I love the fabric. This fabric came from Joann's. I had shared that previously, and it has a really nice hand to it. It's got a sort of double brush, and this one as well, I'm going to use the hashtag I'm So Festive because it's such a beautiful red color. It's something that you can use for the holiday season. You could dress it nicely. As you guys will see in the 360 how I styled it with a jeans, that's very casual, but you can wear something glittery or a leather look or something suede on the bottom. It could be a skirt, or it could be fitted pants or leggings, and it will be an amazing outfit. I think this pattern is very, very versatile. You can use it a host of other fabric color combination to create amazing look. One thing when you're using this pattern and you're not adding contrast, it's very hard to see the separation of the v-neck here, the attachment. If you're not using a contrast, it will get lost, especially with certain fabrics and how you lay it out. You will totally lose it, and that's one thing I wasn't too pleased about, because this is beautiful and it looks great, but it's not super wowy enough for me. Like, I need it to be like wow, but it does look good. I just think that if I had a black band at least in one portion of these attached, like, I probably wouldn't go black on the sleeve, but definitely like the hem and the collar, that would make it like pop out more. But I feel like it's more sophisticated without the contrast. So let me know your thoughts. Let's head over to the 360. And for those of you that may think that I'm going through this really fast, I did already do a review on this pattern, and sewing the dress version or the sweater is pretty much the same. There's not a whole lot going on. I would have to say it was pretty easy to deal with this neckband and hemband because it's not as bulky as my previous fabric, where I felt like attaching the sleeve and the hem to the bodice was very hard because my fabric kept slipping off. That did not happen with this one. I also spent a lot of time gathering the sleeve and hand basting the cuff to it before going to the sewing machine for this project, and that was a lot easier and less stressful than how I previously worked on the dress version. So let's head over to the 360. Let me know what you think about it. I will come back and close out the video in the next section.
So many mixed emotions. It's like I finally noticed I've been set free. I've been set free. I spent a lifetime running, fearing what I'd become if I stopped playing goalie on all of my thoughts. Yeah, speaking out straight from my heart, but now I see. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you. I'm never gonna hold back being someone to lean on. I'll always be that 2 a.m. phone call when you need one. When everything in life is getting harder to shoulder, I'll be your soldier. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. My heart's been ripping wide open, 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 wide open. No words enough to show it. Now my whole world's in motion. I feel like Fred, but in my neighborhood. Yeah. Call me and I will make sure to say.
There you have it. What do you think about this version of my Vanessa? Is it wow? Or would it have been amazing with contrast? I kind of think so, but I feel it's definitely more sophisticated without the contrast, in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts. I love how it turned out. The boots, oh, I have had those boots for, oh my gosh, probably 6 or 7 years, and I've worn them 3 times. They are very hard to walk in. The section on the boots where the band is, it's terrible, and I was really bummed about it because I like those boots, but maybe I just haven't worn them enough to break them in. But I think that they turned out really, really good in this setting. It just made my 360 a better visual for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, that I gave you something to think about regarding the pattern. And if you want me to do the color block version, please let me know, because I am at a loss with how to make that sleeve look good, because the versions that I've seen, I don't know if the seams are too bulky on the versions that I've seen. It just doesn't look really appealing to me. So let me know your thoughts. I will leave some photos of that as well for you guys to check out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have an amazing day, and I will see you on my next upload. Don't forget, if you like this video, I would love for you to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because I really want to keep my channel going and growing and just being motivated myself to make more videos for you guys. Thank you again, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye-bye.